Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe so that you can get more of my videos, okay? So today I'm going to show you some hidden features on your Android phone that you didn't know about, okay? So let's get started. Using your Android phone, you can speed up the performance of your phone by changing the settings of the animation. So as I'm using my phone, it is though fast, but not very fast. So I want it to be very fast, okay? So I'm going to speed up the animation process. So first of all, I click the home button on my phone. I just have to click the home button on my phone, and then I scroll down to settings, click on settings, then I scroll down to systems. That's where I can find about phone. So I click about phone right here. Then I click on build number 3 times. I go back, and then developer options is available. So I click on it, and then I scroll down to transition animation. Just scroll down so you see transition animation. Okay, transition animation scale, and you click on transition animation scale, then change it to 0.5x. Change animator duration scale to 0.5x too. Then you can just navigate through your phone. As you can see, everything is fast now. I can navigate through my phone very fast than before. So if you are able to do this, you can easily speed up your Android phone and do whatever that you want to do on your phone very fast. Now let's move on to the second hidden feature, that is how to hide notification. So when you take a look at my lock screen, you can see that there are some notification, and if somebody sees my phone, they can easily look at my notification. So if I don't want it, I just have to click my home button, go to settings, scroll down to settings, then I go to apps and notifications. I go to notification on my phone, click on hide sensitive content, and that's it. You can see the notification, but you can't see the actual content. I bet you don't know Android has a hidden game that you don't know about. So today we are going to find out, okay? Click on your home button, go to your settings, scroll down to settings, click on settings on your phone, then scroll down to about phone. I can find it on my system, so I click on about phone, then I click on the Android version, click on it several times, and then this is the game. The game varies from phone to phone. This is the particular game I can find on my phone. Some other phones, you can find some interesting Android games on your phone. So you can try it, and then you find out about the Android hidden game.